Alright, I think we are live. Guys, this will be a very urgent live stream right now, because Bitcoin is quite literally breaking out towards the upside at this current moment. It is breaking outside of this rising wedge formation, which a lot of people have been talking about, and a lot of people have been saying that this is going to be a bearish pattern for Bitcoin. But I have been telling you that actually history is exactly being repeated right now, and like you can be seeing over here, yes, history is being repeated. We are about to absolutely explode. We are going to need to be talking about a lot of alpha in this live stream. Because, of course, if you have already seen my daily technical analysis video of today, guys, a lot of alpha has already been dropped in that video over there. But more importantly, in today's live stream, I have even more charts we need to be discussing. I have a whole lot more. For example, this chart over here. Literally, we are right now entering the parabolic zone for Bitcoin, where Bitcoin always started to go parabolic towards the upside. Right now, we are literally entering that zone. So it is just beginning right now. Anyways, having a look into what's at imminent short term, yes, we are getting a massive breakout at this current moment. And like I have shared in this morning's update video, you can exactly be seeing that, the Bitcoin funding rates are actually still trading at quite low levels. Over on Binance, 0.01%. Over on Bybit, 0.019%. Still quite low in my opinion. Everything below the 0.05% is still very low, and is still going to be a level where we should not be getting worried about it. So yeah, definitely trading below that 0.05% mark, which means we should not be getting worried all too much. Probably we're just going to be seeing momentum continuing towards the upside. Of course, we have already seen it in the past for Bitcoin, okay? This cycle, we have been seeing like higher funding rates at these levels over here. All right, during this big peak over here, we have seen the Bitcoin funding rates actually reaching the 0.1% mark, which is 10 times higher than the current Bitcoin funding rate. So yeah, currently they're not very high. Currently they are still pretty low. Currently they are still looking very good. It does still mean that we can easily be moving even more towards the upside. So a lot of alpha to discuss in today's live stream. We need to be having a look into what happens with Bitcoin, what is going to be next. We need to be monitoring it live, because this could quite literally be that rally towards the upside towards that 100k level. It could very well be that rally towards the 100k level, because if we are going to be having a look into this price target outside of this ascending triangle where we are right now breaking outside of, well, if we're going to be having a look into a price target, it's going to be exactly going to be coming in at that 100k level. So that is absolutely insane in my opinion. Now, I will be also hosting a live stream. I will also be hosting a giveaway in this live stream. So yeah, posting that right now over my Twitter. Guys, I'm going to be giving away $500 in today's live stream. So make sure to stick around in today's live stream. I'm going to be running a giveaway. You do not want to miss this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a certain target for the amount of likes. If we're going to be hitting that target, I'm going to be giving away $500. I'm going to be splitting it by 2, so $250 for 2 people out there. So make sure to be joining that. Make sure to be sticking around for this giveaway over here, and yeah, make sure to stick around and also like this stream, and then we are going to be giving away $500. So that's going to be insane. Anyways, let me know in the live chat down below how you're enjoying this Bitcoin pump right now. I am enjoying it. It's absolutely lovely. Let me have a look at what the altcoins are doing. Well, altcoins are still lagging behind. The Bitcoin dominance is actually still rising, but that is still kind of normal. That's still kind of normal. Yes, retail is starting to return towards the market. They are starting to return, but during about this time of the cycle, we should see a trend shift anytime soon. So right now, maybe still the Bitcoin dominance is rising, but anytime soon, this is about to change. I think it is about to change anytime soon. Altcoin season could be happening anytime soon. Retail is starting to return towards crypto. So yeah. Anyways, that is looking very good. Now, let me have a look into what's the alpha right now. First of all, of course, the Bitcoin funding rates. Like we have been discussing, the Bitcoin funding rates are still sitting at quite low, quite neutral levels. So in my opinion, still looking very good. Now, the Bitcoin liquidity. Where's the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity sitting at? Well, at about that 95k level, which we are exactly reaching right now. And you can very clearly be seeing that each and every single time. Whenever Bitcoin has been creating a lot of liquidity on that top side, Bitcoin has been grabbing that liquidity. And after grabbing that liquidity, we've once again been seeing a little bit of a downturn, a little bit of a dump back towards the downside. Then we once again created a lot of liquidity on the top side. We grabbed that liquidity, and after that, once again went towards the downside. Right over here, again, created a lot of liquidity on the top side. We grabbed it, and then again saw another dump towards the downside. Again, created a lot of liquidity on. So you get the point, right? Bitcoin goes towards that majority of the liquidity. Bitcoin tends to be grabbing that liquidity towards the top side. Now, in my opinion, majority of that liquidity is sitting at about a 95k level. Are we going to be seeing another dump towards the downside after that? Well, in my opinion, that could be very likely, but at the other side, yeah, we are as well getting a massive breakout towards the upside. But why I do still think that we might be seeing another downturn towards the downside is because history is right now repeating. And like you can be seeing during this trend as well over here, we just saw some slow, choppy price action towards the upside. All right, we did not see any kind of quick moves towards the upside. So pretty likely this is going to be getting repeated again, and we're just going to be seeing some more choppy price action, and then eventually after this period over here, then we're going to be seeing a blast off towards the upside. Now, I'm still kind of contemplating whether we're seeing this scenario over here playing out, all right, slow and choppy price action towards the upside, or if we're just going to be seeing a massive breakout towards the upside right now, towards that 100k target. So I don't know which scenario is going to be playing out right now, but it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter, because either two of these scenarios, it doesn't matter if the one scenario or the other is going to be playing out. Well, for either two of these scenarios, we're still going to be seeing some more bullish price action towards the upside. So it doesn't matter if we're going to be breaking out towards the upside right now and going to be breaking through that 100k level right now, or if we're going to be seeing some more slow consolidation, some more slow steadily rise towards the upside. I don't really care which scenario is going to be playing out. What we can be having a look into what's in the charts right now is that it doesn't matter what's going to happen, we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside. Now, we do have a few signals which are going to be indicating that potentially we're going to be seeing a little bit of a top, but I've debunked these signals already many times. I've even debunked it on my Twitter profile today, and also I've been sharing it on my YouTube channel like for the last couple of days as well. So we'll be talking about that exactly also a little bit later in this live stream. But anyways, also history is still repeating from off this chart over here. This is a chart from the last cycle whenever we also broke above that previous all-time high. What we did is also created a little bit of a fake out. Then we saw a bear trap, all right, breaking above that previous low over here. Then after that bear trap, we once again saw a rise towards the upside, some consolidation during this period over here. And after that consolidation, we went and blasted off towards the upside. And right now, the Bitcoin chart is doing the same exact thing. Of course, at around this previous all-time high, breaking above it, saw this consolidation over here, then a big run up towards the upside, saw this fake out of this previous highs over here, then a bear trap once again below this previous level of support, resistance turning in towards support, once again getting back below it, so once again another bear trap, then consolidation, and right now after this consolidation, we are starting to pump towards the upside. So this may as well also play out. Of course, we are in a very similar type of scenario, in a very similar scenario, right? Breaking above that previous all-time high, getting a lot of bullish momentum towards the upside, getting the same exact structure for the Bitcoin price. So we are in a very similar scenario. So let's see whether this one is going to be playing out, getting a huge pump towards the upside right now, or if it's still going to be seeing some slow and steady consolidation. Now, another chart I want to be showing you is this chart over here. Of course, we have been seeing the full moon getting initiated. And like you can be seeing in this chart over here, in the past year, we can always be seeing during this bullish trend towards the upside, we can always be seeing that each and every single time that the full moon has flashed, especially during these bullish trends, for example, during these, let me show you, during these periods over here, for example, over here we had this insane bullish trend towards the upside, right? So especially during these periods, well, these full moon signals tend to be very accurate, very reliable, and indicated huge returns. And right now, this full moon has crossed once again. It has flashed again. So, of course, we have already been seeing this bullish momentum. We have already been seeing this bullish price action, but probably it's just going to continue. I think that's going to be very likely. Also, this history is also being repeated. Last time this Bitcoin signal was flashed, we pumped with 190%. I've been talking about this signal many times already. I've been talking about it initially whenever it first flashed back during last year, during around September, August, during that time. I've been talking about this signal over here, but also this year as well. I've been talking about it. I've been saying that last time when it flashed, we saw this 190% pump. Right now it's flashing again. So guys, you better be bullish. I've been saying it so many times. Also, Bitcoin Golden Cross right now happening. So history is right now being repeated. And let me quickly have a look into the live chat. Guys, we are right now live with 45 people. I have a lot more alpha to share. But first of all, I want to be sharing you guys this. Because I'm going to be doing a $500 giveaway to celebrate the new Bitcoin Altcoin. I will be giving it away in today's live stream. I will be setting a likes target. So if we reach a certain amount of likes, I'm going to be giving away the $500. So make sure to be sticking around in today's live stream. I'm going to be doing this giveaway. Make sure to be sticking around, and you can potentially earn this money over here. Anyways, very bullish signals at this current moment. Bitcoin is pumping even further towards the upside, and like I've been saying in the last couple of days, actually ever since breaking this previous Altcoin over here, I've been saying that you do not want to be shorting. You do not want to be getting bearish at this current moment. We are getting bullish price action right now. Nobody can be stopping this momentum which we are getting at this current moment. It would literally be foolish to go against this trend. The trend towards the upside is just unstoppable. And we still have a price target sitting at the 146k level. Now, of course, still, it depends on how you want to be measuring this target. Because if you're going to be not having a look in towards a log scale, well, you can also be having a look in towards a price target at around that 100k level. So yeah, it just depends on how you want to be having a look in towards this target over here. But I think because we're in a bull market, we can definitely easily have a look in towards this price target over here. Now, having a look into these signals over here, many people are actually getting worried because of these signals, because of the extreme greed which we are seeing in the market right now. But I'm not going to be worried at all. I actually do think this is going to be rather a bullish development in the market, because we need this insane amount of greed. We need people being extremely greedy and not selling at all, putting their life savings in towards Bitcoin. We need that to happen in order for Bitcoin to go parabolic. We have seen this happening every single cycle, always whenever we have seen a high amount of extreme greed. Always during these moments, Bitcoin has gone parabolic towards the upside. So we need people to be euphoric. We need people to tell their friends about Bitcoin. We need people to tell their friends to put all of their money actually in Bitcoin. That is exactly what is happening during this stage of the market. We are seeing extreme euphoria, but during these times of extreme euphoria, Bitcoin has always gone parabolic towards the upside. Now, yes, these are the most lucrative times for the Bitcoin price, but also do keep in mind that after this period, after the euphoria ends, well, the cycle top is probably going to be in. So also at the same time, make sure to be taking your profits during this period over here. During these times of extreme greed, this should be the time where you should be starting to cash out your positions. But also, this is going to be the time where Bitcoin goes the most exponential and altcoins will finally start to run towards the upside. Now also, Bitcoin meme coin volume is exploding again. By the way, I've written a tweet about this, exactly debunking it. Let me have a look if I already tweeted it or if it's still scheduled. Let me have a look right now. Oh, it's actually coming in 40 minutes from now on. But let me open it over here and let me quickly share it, because the meme coin volume has been spiking again. All right. Historically, this has always resulted in a Bitcoin top. However, I do believe that this time it will be a little bit different. We are breaking above previous all-time highs. Retail is starting to come back, which we are literally seeing in this meme coin volume. All right, the majority of this meme coin volume is getting initiated by retail. So retail is starting to come back. But in the last cycle, there was a significant hype around NFTs, which didn't necessarily indicate a Bitcoin top. All right, that NFT hype started way before the Bitcoin top was in. And this cycle, I think we are going to be having meme coins. When retail investors return and they will start to trade meme coins, the Bitcoin top doesn't necessarily need to be in. All right, during last cycle, retail came in and they were trading NFTs. This cycle, retail is going to be coming in and they're going to be trading meme coins. So it doesn't necessarily, just like we have seen during last cycle, it doesn't necessarily have to mean that because retail is going to be coming in and trading these meme coins right now, the Bitcoin top necessarily has to be in. Instead, it might actually suggest that we are on the verge of going parabolic. More retail adoption right now, more eyes on crypto. This could mark the final parabolic leg of the bull market. Exactly like I have shared just a moment ago over here. Retail is right now coming in, okay? We are seeing extreme amounts of greed. This is exactly going to be the moment where Bitcoin tends to go parabolic towards the upside. So anyways, yeah, the cycle is exactly repeating. And let me once again have a look into the live chat. Remember, Robert Kiyosaki said Bitcoin will be 120K this year. Yeah, I don't really know about that. My man. But I haven't really been following him. But what I do know is that during these times, all right, while Bitcoin was consolidating over here, literally at the bottom over here, I have been saying that I still think that Bitcoin is going to be reaching that 100K target by this cycle. I've been saying it many times that I still think that Bitcoin is going to be reaching 100K. And back at the time, during these low levels, while Bitcoin was literally trading at levels of 50K US dollars, it was like crazy that I said this. People were talking about, wow, how could you possibly still think this? But I have been saying it during this time. I've been keeping my promise. I've been sticking to my word. And right now we are getting very and very close. And right now, all of a sudden, everyone is literally saying this. Everyone is literally once again saying that Bitcoin is going to be reaching 100K by this year. So it's quite ironic, right? Because literally at these bottoms over here, everyone was actually bearish. And right now, while Bitcoin is moving up again, everyone is pretending to be a hero again. And everyone is pretending to be having it called, having it literally called again. But yeah, it's crazy to me. It's crazy. It's ironic, in my opinion. Short and to the point analysis. Yes, of course. The Tucker is awesome content. I don't know about that. Michael Saylor will buy 1.7 billion more next week. Yes, I also just saw an announcement of that being made just a moment ago. So MicroStrategy to sell 2.6 billion of notes, upsizing from previous 1.75 billion. So yeah, they're basically adding 900 million US dollars more to be buying Bitcoin with. So yeah, they're going to be buying like 900 million in the coming few weeks. It's what I read, at least, on the announcement. I will tag you on Twitter for sure, thank you. What is your bull market price target for Bobcat? We'll be talking about that a little bit later. We'll be going over altcoins a little bit later. But for now, let's finish the Bitcoin analysis, because I have much more. It's crazy how much alpha I am getting right now. It's crazy how much alpha I'm getting right now. So, first of all, the cycle is exactly being repeated, right? It's quite funny how I still believed in 100k Bitcoin this year at the bottom of a year. And right now, it's starting to play out. Anyways, let me have a look into what's at imminent short term. We are getting a slight little retracement. Let me have a look into what's a 1 hour time frame. I want to be seeing all of the data. Yeah, a little bit of a retracement. We're going to be seeing the 1 hour candle closing in 16 minutes. Also the 2 hour and not the 4 hour. All right. So yeah, 16 minutes to go. This is going to be an exciting one. Anyways, more liquidity is being added. Still, the USD Tether market cap is still rising. And even if we're going to be having a look into what's a whale alert, I think yesterday or today, even more Tether got minted. So yeah, even more Tether got minted over here, and still the USD Tether market cap is increasing by like we did literally 18 hours ago. But the more liquidity gets added, the higher Bitcoin will go. This is the trend. This is the more money that flows in towards crypto, the higher Bitcoin will literally go. The higher crypto will go. This is a very bullish development for crypto. Very good thing. Anyways, spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. Let me have a look into what's the most recent data. Okay, so yesterday we have once again seen a little bit of an inflow data again of 800 million. So that's a good thing. Still inflows are continuing. We've seen a little bit of outflow last week. During this bearish trend, of course, because Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a cool off over here, that has been a moment where we have seen a little bit of outflow. Bitcoin once again pumping even more. Looking very good, guys. Let's see if we can be reaching that 100k target. That would be absolutely insane. That would be absolutely amazing in my opinion. But anyway, spot Bitcoin ETF inflow is still looking very good. Guys, majority of this rally is actually being pushed because of the ETF inflows. Remember how, let me grab a good chart. Here, remember how this whole rally towards the upside over here got initiated by high amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. And right now we are literally seeing the same amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, because during that moment we saw, yeah, literally from 800, right, to about 12k, which is like, let's do it approximately an increase of 10k over here. All right, an increase. And right here, during this rally towards the upside, which we have recently been getting, let's say an increase of 18k towards 28k, which is exactly, once again, 10k added through the spot Bitcoin ETFs, which is, funny enough, also exactly this period over here. And I think we are getting a very similar pump towards the upside right now, actually. If we measure it correctly. Yeah. So similar amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows and also a similar pump towards the upside. So yeah, majority of this push towards the upside right now is being driven by spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. So still seeing high amounts of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows still is a very bullish and good development for the market. Very good thing over here. Anyways, guys, I do want to be quickly mentioning that we are right now live with 47 people. I will be doing a $500 giveaway, all right, during the end of the stream. Whenever we reach, let's say, I will still discuss it, but a certain amount of likes. So make sure to push up the like button, stick around in the stream. And we are going to be doing this $500 giveaway. So yeah, man, make sure to stick around. Anyways, I have a lot more alpha to discuss. Like, I have so many charts open still. Okay, we need to be discussing all of it. Anyways, first of all, the total crypto market cap is right now reaching new all-time highs. This is a very bullish development, of course, because not only Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs right now, no, also altcoins are starting to reach new all-time highs. And whenever this trend continues, whenever we're going to be seeing a huge rally towards the upside over here, all of the altcoins will probably start to explode. Now, total 3. Let's have a look into the total 3. This is like all of the altcoins. This is the total crypto market cap without excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total 3 has been breaking above this previous high over here, like we have been talking about. And I've been saying whenever we're going to be breaking above this previous high over here, then we're going to be very easily reaching new all-time highs. So let's see if we're going to be doing that. But for that, we still need to see the Bitcoin dominance actually decreasing, which still it is actually increasing. During this Bitcoin pump, we are still seeing actually money flowing in towards Bitcoin rather than altcoins. Let's have a look in towards CoinGecko actually. What are the altcoins doing? Are there any altcoins which are exploding? Not really. We are literally seeing the dinosaur coins bumping towards the upside. Cardano, Kronos, Stellar, Tezos, Algorand, Polygon. Like, literally all of these coins are old coins. Polkadot, Monero, Maker, XRP. Yeah. I don't know. Like, usually these new shiny coins tend to be pumping. Maybe we're seeing a little bit of a shift in trend over here. I do think it's going to be changing anytime soon. Anyways, Bitcoin pumping even higher right now, looking very good. Looking very good. Let's see if we can be reaching and going towards that 100k price target. Maybe by today, maybe by tomorrow. But anyways, anytime soon. Let's have a look if we can be doing it. That would be absolutely amazing. Anyways, having a look into our USDT. Or sorry, this chart first of all. Well, the dollar currency index is right now reaching a crucial level of resistance. We need to be seeing a rejection from off this level. If we're going to be seeing a rejection from off this level, that's going to be massively bullish for the Bitcoin price. We can be easily overlaying this chart over here from the Bitcoin price. And we can clearly be seeing, like right now it's going to be a little bit different. We're still seeing Bitcoin increasing while the dollar currency index has been... yeah, also increasing. And we have been seeing this consolidation for Bitcoin while the dollar currency index has been decreasing. But usually it goes the other way around, all right? Usually during times where the dollar currency index is decreasing, Bitcoin usually tends to be pumping towards the upside. And yeah, when we are seeing the dollar currency index increasing, Bitcoin dumps towards the downside. So like you can be seeing, for example, over here, dollar currency index dumping towards the downside. Bitcoin has been seeing this bull market towards the upside, okay? Also over here, we have seen the dollar currency index dumping towards the downside. Bitcoin has been in this massive bull market. This was 2017. All right, right here again, dollar currency index bumping, Bitcoin dumping. All right, so usually we're seeing this inverse correlation. Right now, that's not really holding up anymore. I don't know what's happening over here. But either way, if we're going to be seeing a dump over here for the dollar currency index, that's going to be bullish for Bitcoin. So anyways, this development which we are seeing right now is a bullish development for Bitcoin. If we're going to be seeing a rejection, which is going to be highly likely from of this massive level of resistance, that's going to be a bullish development for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can easily be starting to go parabolic towards the upside. So yeah, once again, another bullish development. We're just getting bullish development after bullish development. The USD Tether dominance is also breaking down. If we're going to be having a look, I don't have the chart loaded. I posted it yesterday or the day before. find it because, yeah, over here. The USD Tether dominance chart is right now starting and trying to be breaking towards the downside. This is a very bullish development because always whenever the USD Tether dominance market goes towards the downside, well, this dominance of these tables will start to flow in towards, for example, Bitcoin or altcoins. So whenever the stablecoin dominance is decreasing, the Bitcoin dominance and the Bitcoin market cap increases. Of course, very logical. It's inversely correlated. So the USD Tether dominance chart right now breaking towards the downside out of this, like we started this trend already in 2017. So how many years is that? That's like 7 years right now. We are right now starting to break down of this 7-year trend. Okay, so this is a very bullish development which we're getting right now at this current moment. For Bitcoin, this is going to be insane. More money will start to flow in towards Bitcoin. Let me have a look. Yeah, Ethereum against Bitcoin. Well, it's absolutely sad to see. Ethereum against Bitcoin reaching all-time low. No, not all-time low, but cycle low after cycle low. Literally minus 60% right now from the 2021 top. Even 63% at this current moment. You've dumped even more. So sad to see. Are we still going to be seeing a reversal? I hope so. I'm still going to be a believer. I still do think that Ethereum is one of the best altcoins. Like, fundamentally speaking, technologically speaking. I still think that... Oh, by the way, Bitcoin pumping even more towards the upside. But I still do believe in a project, Ethereum. I still do believe in it. And also with the spot Ethereum ETF right now, I do think it has this chance. And while everyone is literally giving up still on Ethereum, I'm still going to be accumulating. Like, it's going to be very hard to say it because it's not going to be a popular opinion. Everyone is literally shifting towards Solana. And yes, I'm also buying Solana. I'm also definitely buying Solana, but I'm not going to be forgetting about Ethereum. I do think that eventually still Ethereum is going to be catching up with a massive pump towards the upside, like for example we have seen over here. And out of the blue, we're literally going to be shooting up with 170% in a matter of a month. In a matter of a month, I think something like this could very well happen. So I'm not going to be forgetting about Ethereum now. I think still it has potential for this cycle. It's not a popular opinion, but that's my truthful, honest opinion. All right. So yeah, having a look into this chart, Bitcoin looking absolutely good. Okay, Bitcoin having a look into the RSI indicator, it is right now reaching these parabolic stages. The RSI indicator is reaching the yellow zone right now, the yellow zone. And always whenever the RSI has entered the yellow zone, it started to go parabolic towards the upside. So let's see if we're going to be closing. All right, let's see if we're going to be closing like this. Still 1 month and 12 days to go, so a very long time. But of course, given the momentum, given the candle which we are already seeing, we're going to be very likely to close like this. So like you can be seeing very clearly, each and every single time, whenever we close in the yellow, initially, the first time, this parabolic trend towards the upside started. So yeah, right now it's happening again. Guys, the parabolic bull market is just getting started. Also, euphoria is just getting started. We are literally entering this stage of the cycle. Now, also the Gaussian channels. We have once, on the 3-day time frame, we have once again flipped it in towards the green. We have once again flipped it bullish. So looking very good. Trend is still bullish. We're just getting bullish signal after bullish signal. So let's have a look into some altcoins right now. Right now it's going to be the time for some altcoins. Also, by the way, Michael Saylor is an absolute legend. 30 billion US dollars right now in his investment portfolio with MicroStrategy. Absolute legend. Anyways, having a look into altcoins right now. Guys, many altcoins are seeing great setups at this current moment. For example, Stacks. Stacks is right now starting to see this rounding bottom again, all right? History is just being repeated. we are seeing, first of all, a rally towards the upside, a dump towards the downside, a rounding bottom being created, initial push towards the upside, a little bit of a bounce, right? And then we started to explode towards the upside. Right now, we're seeing the same exact thing, all right? First of all, rally towards the upside, dump towards the downside, rounding bottom being created, initial push towards the upside, which we're seeing right now. And yeah, we are about to enter this next phase, this next stage, where we are about to go absolutely parabolic. So yeah, many such examples. Many such examples, because also if we're going to be having a look towards a render, fetch AI, like all of these charts are looking very and very similar. Also, meme coins are of course outperforming the market heavily and massively. Of course, I have been uploading this meme coin video over here, but these meme coins now, Mega Pump is loading. The biggest alt season starts now as well. So I am talking about meme coins. I am talking about exactly what altcoins I am buying right now. However, many altcoins are showing great setups right now that we actually want to be buying. I'm done with it. It bleeds me on expensive fees compared to all other layer runs while airdrop farming. yeah, indeed. Like, there might be just so many better alternatives out there right now at this current moment. But Ethereum is like the project which is the most integrated in most apps, which the most technology has been built on, with the greatest networking effect, right? All of these factors that you need to keep in account. Why I do still think that Ethereum could be doing well, and I'm not going to be giving up on it now. Like, I'd rather lose than my whole bag of Ethereum and not make any gains on it than to see this rally towards the upside and completely miss it, completely be sidelined. Like, I think that would be horrible. If I'm like, that's just from my opinion. That's from my portfolio. Yeah, Ethereum is preparing for altcoin season. Just wait a bit. Yeah, and at the moment when we're going to be seeing Bitcoin dominance falling and Ethereum not pumping, at that moment I'm going to be contemplating, right? I'm going to be considering actually, right? Should I maybe be selling my Ethereum? But right now that's not happening. Right now it's actually still Bitcoin season, so it's completely fine in my opinion. For how much people will you give away? So we are right now live with 41 people, 47 likes at this current moment. I do think the live streamers, live viewers, I want to be seeing it picking up. I want to be reaching like, for this stream, I want it to be reaching like at least 100 viewers or maybe 200. So let's hope we can still be getting that. And then I'm going to be going live for a longer period, amount of time. So then I think we can easily be reaching like 150 likes for that giveaway. So yeah, I think that's going to be like a reasonable target. Of course, it needs to be like worth it for me to also do a giveaway like that. We need buyers. Yeah. When will Bitcoin dominance go down? Well, I guess we are right now reaching that time period of the market where anytime soon the Bitcoin dominance could be going down. Like, it's going to be coming in pretty close. Has anything been going on with the live stream, by the way? Like, it's saying that my bitrate is lower than the recommended. Maybe like it's lagging because also I have new internet in this house over here. So let me know. Should we be worried about the bearish divergence which we're creating? So yes, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are actually creating this bearish divergence over here. Should we be getting worried about it? I'm not sure, because we are in a bull market, right? It's like that easy. It's actually crazy to think about it. Like, all of the bearish signals, we tend to just ignore it because we are in a bull market. But it is true. It is true. All right? It is true, because in a bull market, you should be ignoring these bearish signals, because they tend to hold little to no value. Now, yeah, maybe we're still just trading inside of this rising wedge. Maybe we are just creating a bearish divergence right now. And maybe we're just going to be seeing a rejection from of this level. But then, again, like I've discussed in the beginning of this live stream, I don't really care. Honestly, I don't really care because I have two scenarios on ice right now. Either we're going to be repeating this history and we're going to be seeing a slow and steady grind towards the upside, all right? Then that would perfectly confluence with us getting a little bit of a rejection from of this moment over here. Or we're going to be just pumping towards the upside right now already. But either two of these scenarios doesn't really matter. We're still going to be seeing bullish price action towards the upside. So it doesn't really matter which scenario would be playing out over here. Both of these scenarios would be bullish. So I don't really care. Do you ever chart MicroStrategy? My non-profit, non-crypto portfolio is in it from 2 years ago. I never really chart MicroStrategy, also because I'm not a stocks guy. I don't own like any stocks. Literally 99% of my net worth is in crypto. I'm like an all crypto guy. Like maybe after this bull market, I'm going to be diversifying a little bit more in, for example, real estate and things. More like other assets like crypto. But right now, not really interested in it as well, to be honest. Anyways, let's see if Bitcoin can once again be pushing up towards the upside again. Because having a look at what's our hourly candle, we have just closed another hourly candle. This is actually looking very good. Let's have a look at the lower time frames. Yeah, seeing a little bit of a rejection. I don't know what to make of this. Like, I mean, the trend is still bullish. The trend is still bullish. So we could easily still see even more pumps towards the upside. We're not seeing any kind of a break of structure. You have to check your internet, all right. I'm going to be checking it right now. All right. So let me check because is the internet slow? So yeah, I have a little bit of an issue over here because of course I moved to Dubai and I have a little bit of issues with my Wi-Fi over here. Of course, I am connected with wire. I'm not wireless connected. But still, I'm also seeing this error on my stream. But I think it should be alright. My phone is looking good. It's looking good. All right, so yeah, let's just continue. Let's just continue. Anyways, Bitcoin is starting to see some more momentum. All right, it's starting to see some more momentum. Looking very good. Let's see if we can be continuing this push. Let's see if we can be continuing this. Let me also draw the price target. The price target of 100k Bitcoin. Of course, boom, trend line. Over here. It's that easy. That easy. There we go. All right, so getting a little bit more momentum towards the upside right now. Let's see if we can be reaching that price target. Also, let me load up like the lower time frames. Five-minute time frame. About to reach a new all-time high, guys. All-time high after all-time high. Ethereum is pumping. Oh yeah, it's starting to pump. 1.5% up right now. Like out of nowhere. That's nice. That's nice. Lovely to see. So guys, should we be worried about this signal over here? Well, I'm not really too sure. I think it will be okay. Yeah, Ethereum is pumping right now. That's good to see. We just talked about Ethereum, of course. Just talked about it, like how I'm not going to be giving up on it right now. I'm not going to be giving up on Ethereum right now, and now it's starting to pump. So let's see if I'm going to be getting rewarded for that. What could be major resistance for Ethereum? I don't know. Like we're not really at a major level of resistance right now. Maybe. Sure. Maybe like this. I don't know. Like would be a little bit of a ugly level. Maybe on that weekly time frame. Yeah, you could consider this to be a resistance, but not any horizontal. So, in my opinion, not really heavy levels of resistance. Crypto Rover was mentioning Bitcoin will go down. All right. I'm not too sure about that. It's actually funny because a lot of people, like, I see some comments sometimes that I am Crypto Rover. But the crazy thing is, a whole lot of times, my analysis is like way different than Rover's analysis. Of course, Rover is a good friend of mine, but like for example, over here, you're saying that Crypto Rover was mentioning Bitcoin will go down, but Bitcoin is definitely going up right now. So I don't know, like. Yeah. 90k they're saying. 90k. I don't see that happening very quickly. Can you check Doc K? Right. Yeah, we can check it. down 25% today. Oh. Yeah, this is unfortunate to see. Very unfortunate. Let's see if it can still keep up its momentum towards the upside. Can you check Kaspa? Yeah, you can check Kaspa. -3%. But still, I've shared Kaspa many times. I've said many times, at the bottom, I think it's a great buy. Anyways, Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a dump. Maybe this is going to be the first time where we're going to be seeing a little bit of shift in structure on that 1 minute time frame. Right now, testing that previous low over here. We have not broken any lows in this whole trend towards the upside. All right, you can clearly see each and every single low has been higher and higher, 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 higher. But right now we are retesting that previous low. So we do not want to break below that previous low, because if we're going to be breaking below that low, it's going to be the first shift in trend, and then maybe we can have a look into a deeper correction, and ultimately decide if we're still going to be move up or coming back down and see a massive crash. So yeah, we ideally want to be seeing this low being held, all right, and see another push towards the upside. Still remain to trade inside of this trend. So let's see what's going to be happening over here. This that lower time frame is going to be a crucial moment. Who are the best men? We don't know any crypto rover. Yeah, crypto rover is a good friend of mine. 89K coming, go up again. Yeah, like I said, maybe we could go back down towards 89K. Maybe if we're going to, like, either this scenario is going to be playing out, we're going to be seeing a little bit of rejection, some more chop, then see a push towards the upside after this consolidation. Either we're going to be seeing that, or we're going to be seeing this history being repeated, and we're going to be seeing a blast off towards the upside right now already. But it doesn't really matter which scenario is going to be playing out. Either way, we're going to be seeing another move towards the upside. So World War III escalating, crypto will tank. I haven't seen anything about that, honestly. Yeah, so by the way, yeah, Bitcoin just broke below that low. So let's see. Let's hope that we will start to reverse this trend. All right, and because this is going to be, like, right now a crucial moment. Are we going to be reversing it back towards the upside, or crash back towards the downside? Like, you have to check Domino's Pizza stocks. Well, I'm not really a stock guy, just like I explained. Like, I'm literally 100% in towards crypto. I don't own any other assets. Like, I own a car, a house, but, like, not that much relatively compared towards my crypto portfolio. So I don't own any stocks. Like, maybe that's foolish. But after this bull market, I will diversify again. So let's see what Bitcoin is going to be doing at this crucial time over here. By the way, I think after this stream, I'm going to be making like some timestamps because I've shared so much insane alpha during this stream. I've shared so much insane alpha. So I think I'm going to be making some timestamps so everyone can be watching the stream back and watch all of this alpha. Let's go, Set Script Rover. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, my man. My man. When will you start taking profits on Bitcoin? What price? So yeah, I'm going to be slowly scaling out. Majority of my holdings are actually in altcoins, so it's a little bit different. All right, it's a little bit different and a little bit difficult. Now, I will already be starting to take some profits, starting from Bitcoin reaching the 100K level. But I'm just going to be slowly scaling out, slowly starting to buy some more assets, right? Real world things which hold their value like more than Bitcoin or crypto does in a bear market. So yeah, slowly scaling out, slowly buying real stuff. That's what I'm going to be doing. And already starting from the 100K Bitcoin, but really from of 120K Bitcoin, when the Bitcoin dominance also starts to fall and we're going to be seeing altcoin season and crazy hype and this and that, like then I'm also going to be taking my profits from altcoins. But right now we're not even seeing the Bitcoin dominance moving down, so why should I be taking my profits right now? Any AI projects to check? What about Render? Render is crazy altcoin. I'm like crazy bullish on Render. Crazy bullish. Yeah, it's also moving up. It's also moving up. I've been tweeting also yesterday even about Render. Here, yesterday, I've accumulated a lot of Render in recent months. Everyone seems to have literally forgotten about this gem, but the truth is, it's only a matter of time before this coin explodes again, and I'm going to make so much money on this altcoin. I'm literally going to be making so much freaking money because I've been buying so much of Render. During this accumulation over here, I have seen this trend line, this level of resistance, and at the breakout, I've added so much more money. So yeah, I've accumulated literally loads of it. This is one of my top holds in my portfolio. $35 Render is not crazy. Well, previously, in the beginning of this cycle, I've set my target for Render at $200. So, yeah, that's maybe a little bit too crazy. Let's have a look into what's the market cap right now. Maybe $200 is going to be a little bit too crazy. Yeah. Like, realistically, I don't think it's gonna happen. But, what could very, like $100 could very well happen. I definitely think that $100 for Render could happen. That would not be far too unrealistic. So that's like still 10x. And during my major accumulation, that's like major 20x. So yeah, altcoins, you can be making so much money if you're just accumulating at the right times. If you know what you're doing, if you buy the right altcoins, it's altcoin season is going to be approaching. Can GRT reach Ultima? No, it's a shit coin. I'm sorry to say it, man. I'm sorry to say it, but I've like shared already so much hate on this altcoin. Why? Because it's so shit. Because it's so shit. Not like now it's getting better. Now it's getting better. The market cap to the fully diluted valuation is getting better. This comparison over here, right? But there's just been so much inflation if you're just comparing the market cap chart with the price chart. Now, in terms of market cap, can the graph once again reach $5 billion US? Yes, it can. In terms of market cap, yes. But in terms of price, can it be once again reaching $2.3? That's literally 10x from the current levels. That's a 20 billion US dollar market cap, or 25 even. Can it be reaching that target? I'm not too sure, man. I'm not too sure. I don't think it's gonna happen either. Like, fundamentally speaking, I did like this altcoin during last cycle. During last cycle, I made so much money on this altcoin. But you also just need to understand the tokenomics and the token value. And you need to understand that a lot of inflation has been going on. And that is why it makes it so shit. Like, yes, can you make gains with an altcoin like that? Yes, definitely you can make gains. But is it gonna give you that 20x like Render, for example, can give you? No, I don't really think so. Why all the hate on Fetch? I'm definitely not hating on Fetch. Fetch is also one of my biggest holds. One of my altcoins where I'm the most bullish on. By the way, Bitcoin's seeing a little bit more of a dump. Right now, testing this previous low over here. Right? And if we're going to be breaking above this previous low, we're still going to be having this low over here. But if we're going to be breaking above these, below these two levels, then we're definitely fucked. Then we're definitely going to be at it much and much lower again. Then this was a big fake out. And then we are going to be seeing a rejection. Then we're going to be seeing a bearish divergence playing out. So let's not hope that that's going to happen. Let's not hope we're going to be breaking above these previous lows over here. Let's just hope we're going to be holding above. Let me read my chat. All right, so let's see. Bitcoin bouncing ever so slightly. Let's see, all right? Giving hope. Giving us hope. Giving us hope. Let's see if we can still continue this trend. By the way, I'm going to go live way more often again. I'm going to go live way more often with the current Bitcoin price action of this. I've said it many times, but I will definitely go way more often live again. And I'm also going to be trading Bitcoin live more over on Blofin. I'm going to be trading it more. Yeah, live trades are going to be incoming. If I see good opportunities arising in the market, I'm going to be opening up trades live and going to be profiting with you guys live. So yeah, again, indeed, do not forget to smash up the like button. And also, yeah, if you want to be joining me, make sure to be checking out that first link down below. Just quick chill. But it's going to be getting very exciting. Because in these, like, I've said it in a few videos back already. These are going to be the periods you want to be capitalizing. These are going to be the moments which are the most lucrative. These are going to be the most amazing times where you can be making the most amount of profits in the market. These are going to be the times where you want to be locking in, pay your attention in towards the Bitcoin charts, open up your trades when good opportunity arises, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some money live. So it's going to go get very exciting. Go to Twitch. I like YouTube better. I tag you about meme coin virtual. Is a virtual a meme coin? I'm not sure about that. It doesn't sound like a meme coin. Yeah, virtual is protocol, not a meme coin. Right? Not a meme coin. I think this was an AI coin, and it's actually absolutely exploding. Wow. Okay. Interesting to see. Bitcoin bouncing back towards the upside. US market opens in 2 minutes. Indeed, the US market will open in 2 minutes. Bitcoin bouncing back. So yeah, just like I said, we need to be holding this level of support, otherwise we're fucked. But we're bouncing back. So let's see if we can be breaking above these previous highs again. That's at least going to be very likely. Let's have a look into what the pre-market is doing. And get any info. It's kind of consolidating. All right, yeah. I don't think like anything major will happen with the stock market. But still, like Bitcoin has been pumping so much towards the upside while the stock market has literally been consolidating, even seeing a little bit of a dump. And also gold. Gold has also been seeing this massive dump towards the downside while Bitcoin has been pumping towards the upside. So it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean a whole lot, in my opinion. But yeah, stock market is going to be exciting in the open because volatility is always going to. Oh yeah, and the important thing, of course, with the stock market open is, of course, that ETF inflows can be incoming again. People can once again buy Bitcoin through the spot ETF. So yes, it's going to be actually very important. Yes, we're going to be seeing spot ETF inflows. Probably we're going to be seeing buying pressure incoming. So yes, actually it is going to be getting very important. Let's see. All right, 6:30. Yeah, 6:30 Dubai time. Stock market opened. Let's see. Anything is happening. Yeah, nothing all too significant. Going to be having, yeah, wow. The BlackRock spot ETF, like, we're seeing a pump right now. Yeah, inflows, guys, inflows. A lot of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. This is making me feel bullish right now. This is making me feel very bullish. Nice catch about the market open. Nice catch about the market open. Guys, new all-time high, almost new all-time high. Yeah, very exciting. Very exciting. Just reaching new all-time high after a new all-time high. Once again, reaching new all-time high. Almost. We're almost there. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it. Just give that all-time high. Give us that all-time high. Come on. There we go. There we go. I think we have reached new all-time high over here. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we're still going to be hitting this target. Bitcoin pumping. Let's see if we can be continuing this pump right now. This is exactly what we needed. Right now, the market opened, of course. We're going to be seeing spot Bitcoin ETF inflows again. We're seeing a crazy pump right now. Bitcoin pumping even further. Let's see if we can be continuing this because this is looking very good. Yeah, we are going to get 100K for sure. Or yeah, like it's not even a matter of if we're going to be reaching that 100K target. It's not going to be a matter of if we're going to go there. It's like literally only when are we going to reach that 100K level. So anyways, need to be doing one thing. Be right back. Only like 1 minute. Be right back. Right. All right. So let's see if we can be continuing this pump right now. That's going to be the most important thing. We are initiating our pump, but also we need to see our continuation, of course. Yeah. That 95K level is first of all going to be incoming. It's going to be incoming very, very quickly. It's nearing. It's nearing. And also, let me actually already prepare a little bit of a tweet for that 95K level. So, open up Twitter. There we go. Like already prepared. French. There we go. Already prepared for when it's gonna happen. When it's gonna happen, because it's inevitable. It's inevitable. The next major target, I think, is gonna be like 95K. So let's see, because yeah, we are getting a little bit of a retracement actually in the short term. We are actually getting a lot of volatility. Set some music background. I can actually still do oh, Bitcoin getting an harsh rejection. Bitcoin getting a hard rejection. All right. What's happening? All right. What? What's going on? Did anything? All right. Music background is on. Let me put it still a little bit lower. I think it's too loud now. Don't worry, we'll recover soon. Yeah, probably it will. But also, I do want to be unfortunately saying that I will be ending the stream. I need to go right now. I need to go right now. But yeah, so I need to go right now. However, still, Bitcoin volatility is very high. Still push towards the new all-time high. Then saw an insane rejection. All right, let's see if we're not going to be breaking above these major structures over here. But honestly, this is not looking good. How much momentum we're getting towards the downside? Honestly, it's not looking good. But if you're going to be seeing a rejection, yeah, like we have discussed, we're just going to be bouncing potential skills the upside. So might not happen today. Might not happen today. Let's see if this first scenario is going to be playing out, right? Some slow and steady consolidation, or going to be pumping right now. Let's see which scenario is going to be playing out. Either way, I'm still going to be bullish. Bitcoin chart still going to be looking bullish. Doesn't matter what's going to happen next. This is not so bullish. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another daily technical analysis video tomorrow morning. And also probably, if there's any volatility, another stream tomorrow in the evening. So guys, with that being said, I'll see you later.